What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are up and early installing the next part of this whole installation. If you guys are new, the previous video I did install a JLT intake for the 2018 to 2020 Mustangs, but the thing is, this intake requires a tune, and that's basically what we're going to be doing today. I actually got in my Lundtune racing tune, and that's what we're going to be doing today basically. So I'm going to be trying to show you guys step by step exactly how to do it. If you guys are brand new to this whole installing stuff and new to the whole car things and car installations, like, you're on the same boat as me. So that's why I'm here, guys. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible for you guys. And yeah, so we just finished the install on the JLT intake, so let me show you guys exactly how that looks. Pop the hood real quick. So you guys can see, we got the beautiful JLT intake, and guys, let me tell you, this thing is freaking huge compared to the stock one. This thing is a huge upgrade. Like, it looks so damn good right here. Just a little intake, you know. So yeah, like I said, this is in the previous video, so if you guys need help installing this, please go watch the previous video, because we did go into depth exactly every little detail on what we did on installing this, and it was actually super easy. So if you guys want a little intake right there, get some little horsepower for you guys' car. And like I said, we're doing the next part because this thing does require a tune. So we're going to be installing the Lund racing tune. I'm going to go by step on how to install it, because we actually need that part first, and then we have the data log. So basically all the stuff that you require to send back to Lund to then get your E85 tune. So yes, guys, she is going on E85. I'm going to be doing the whole data login thing today, showing you how that process works. So then we send that back over to Lund so we can get our E. So yeah, let's get started with this video. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to go by step to installing your Lundtune. I don't know how it works for the other tunes, but I'm pretty sure it's the basic stuff, so I'm pretty sure it's all the same thing. But yeah, I actually got mine by Lund, and I'm going to be going step by step on exactly how to do it, how to install it, what comes in the box, what do you do on the computer to drag the file to the SD card, all that good stuff, guys. So the first thing you're gonna get, obviously, is this little white box, which comes your N gauge, your SD card, and all the little goody stuff. You get this little paper with, you know, the stuff that you ordered. Basically just has your address and basically all the stuff you ordered. But this is where it all matters, right? Because right here you got the N gauge, and it's a pretty cool device. Got a little device right here, guys. The N gauge, put that to the side. You get this little wired thing right here. Don't know exactly what it's called, but basically this is what connects to the bottom of your car right there. We got this piece, then micro SD card, actually. So this is exactly what you guys are gonna get. All right, you guys, so like I said, I'm going to be doing this step by step so I can show you guys exactly how to do it. So I took out the micro SD card, took out the little mini SD card from the N gauge, and already put it in here just like this. You're gonna want to get this and then just plug it into your laptop. Go on your computer, you're gonna go to wherever it just literally popped up right here, but it's gonna say like the N gauge flash drive, whatever. You're gonna want to click that, or you guys could go to this little thing right here, which is like the folder, basically the same thing. The N gauge one is right there, so it doesn't really matter how this whole little setup right here looks for you guys, as long as you guys click on the N gauge. And then you're gonna have all this. So you're gonna have configs, you're gonna have to have custom files, logs, stock files, transfer, and then all this other little stuff right there, but that I don't really think we gotta mess with that. So basically what you guys are gonna do, you guys are gonna go to custom files, and I already actually have it dragged up in there, but let's see. Yeah, I actually already have it dragged up, like the whole file in the custom files. But that's basically what you have to do. You have to sign into your email, and then basically on that email, which you're talking with like the tuner, you're like replying back to him and stuff. He actually sends you everything, and at the end he actually sends you the attachment. So you're gonna want to get that attachment, download it, and when it's downloaded, you just drag it over here to your custom files. All right, you guys, so look, it is looks like it's plugged in. So basically, let me see if I can show you guys. Let me see if I can get the flash up in there. So basically there is a little like import like an attachment right there on the bottom where you literally just attach it. You guys will be able to see it. It's literally just a plug-in thing, and you should be good. So the N gauge is good, the SD card is in. So let's just see the next step. I think you gotta click the start button, just have it just like this, but don't have the car completely on.
Sync has connected your phone.
I'm gonna go to, you guys are gonna go to tuning. You guys are wanna go to load tune. And then it's basically gonna be that 91. Basically that's the first tune you guys are gonna get. When you guys have more tunes, you guys can click through the arrow, but basically this one is my data logging one. This is the first 91 tune that they send you if you want to get on E, and then you just start data logging, which we are going to be doing later. Then we will be doing that, but then right now, for the meantime, let's just hit the thing, flash this tune. And it says this will approximately take 11 minutes. So like I said, then the car's gonna go in like this weird little limp mode, start doing a little bunch of random stuff like that. And like I said, guys, don't have the whole car completely on. Just press the start button, just have it on just like this, and it's just gonna say that initiating communications, which is basically gonna take probably 11 to 15 minutes. So I'll pick you guys up in a bit. I'm gonna see what happens here real quick. All right, so then the tune is flashed and it says right there, turn the key off for 10 seconds, then start the vehicle. So turn the key off. Now let's start up real quick. Jesus Christ. Woo. Guys, everything looks like it is running crisp. So I think we're ready to data log. So basically what you guys are gonna want to do is get a good stretch of road, because the next part I'm gonna be showing you guys, it's on the email, and it's basically Lund telling you what exactly to do when you data log. I will show you guys exactly where to go to data log, where to click to start the actual data log. So yeah, I'm actually just gonna take the car out, find a good stretch of road where I know I could actually do this peacefully, not in anybody's way. So yeah, I'll pick you guys up in a bit. Clean spot right here, just out of everybody's way. And I'm actually gonna be doing the data logging now. So I'm basically on the email where it basically shows you. So this is what you're gonna need to be doing the data log. But to start the data log, you're gonna wanna click it. See if it shows. No, the lighting's a little off right now. Sorry about that, guys. Then you're gonna wanna go to diagnostics. Then you're gonna go to data logging. And then you're gonna click the first one. I'm sure it's the first one. And then it's gonna say connecting. And then I think a bunch of little numbers are gonna show up right there, showing your guys' like RPMs and like everything, right? Shows all that. Maybe just give it a few seconds to start doing that thing right there. And then when you guys actually want to start the data log, you guys literally just click on the screen, and then a little light's gonna pop up showing that you guys are basically recording to do the data log. So yeah, so the first thing right here, it says click the thing and then start the idle for 3 to 5 minutes, rev up to 1500 RPMs and let it for 10 to 15 seconds. So let's do that. And then the next one is do the same thing for 2500 and 3500. So let me just go ahead and do that. So 20. It says in second or third gear, do a couple slow RPM climb from 2500 to 5000 RPM. And then after that, you're gonna do a wide open throttle pull to 7000 RPM. Then come to a stop, let it idle for 1 to 2 minutes, and then stop the data log. So let's do that real quick. All right, so second gear right here. And then we go. 10,000 RPMs. So put my emergency lights on just in case. Right here. All right, guys, and then it just says let it idle for 1 or 2 minutes. That's what we're gonna go do. And then after that, after you let the 1 or 2 minutes, just click on the screen again and it ends the data log, and you guys are all set, man. Hopefully I got a good view for you guys. But all right, guys, so then after you guys are done data logging, enjoy your new little 9193 tune. I think, guys, this thing freaking pulls. Try to give you guys a pull. I just did one right now when I was data logging, and guys, the power seems like it's just freaking endless. All right, guys, we're gonna try to do another 60. Second gear, let's go. Oh my god, guys, this thing freaking is just pulling and pulling. This thing is freaking crazy. And this is not even the E85, this is just the 91 93 tune, guys. This thing, I'm not even trying to exaggerate, but this thing right away, it's just, that is crazy. Oh my god. Like, you can probably even see by the video that in the steering, when I was shifting it to third, the wheels start shaking even more than it did before. That is freaking crazy. Woo. Soon we'll be fast, guys. Soon we'll be fast. Damn. All right, boys. Let's go take a look. This thing is freaking crazy. Just pulled up to a little spot right here. Just let it, you know, let it cool down, let all the ponies cool down. Don't mind the car, how dirty it is. It's super dirty. We were working on it yesterday and the other day before too. So, but guys, this thing is freaking crazy. But back to the whole part of the Lund tuning part and all that. So basically, when you have all that, I'm not gonna show it right now because I'm actually gonna probably end up this video right here. But basically, to send the tune back is literally the same type of thing. You go to custom, not custom files. You go to all the other tabs, as you guys saw when there was a custom files, and then there was one that said logging. So you go to the logging one, you click the one you did the logging, and you just drag it back into the email and just literally email Lund back, and they literally get that tune right there. And that's literally how they get the tune, see if they got to revise anything or do anything type of sorts of changes. And if not, if you're all set, they give you the green light and they send you your E85 tune, and it's literally the same process as what I did right now. So that's what I'm probably gonna go do right now. Probably just go home, email Lund back the tune, make sure everything's right. Hopefully they get back to me. They're pretty fast at replying